Chicos, bienvenidos de vuelta. I presume you've downloaded everything and you've been practicing so far. We're taking now on the future and conditional. I've specifically decided to make a presentation about these ones because even though it's kind of basic, I find it really challenging for you. If you quickly mentally go now through the living certificate, can you think of any section you're going to be using these two tenses? We'll go through that in future episodes. The written piece, the note, you're going to use the future. The letter, the opinion piece, you're going to use the conditional. You need to nail this one. As said, I presume you've downloaded everything you've been practicing, so you have access to all these nice charts I've prepared for you. On the conditional, what was the particularity of these two tenses? What was special and what's especially complicated for you? Why do you think it's especially challenging? You know when to use conditional, so it's not about when to use it, it's about how to make it. Because we are used to stems that get rid of the ending when taking the infinitive. But unlike those ones, future and conditional, yeah, you know that, they need a magic letter. Yeah, they are. So basically, use any kind of method you need or whatever feels easier for you to remember. But make sure you associate these two tenses together and you become aware of the particularity of future and conditional in Spanish. They don't get rid of the ending. They preserve the whole stem and then you add the endings afterwards. Because if I told you the things I've seen, correcting living certificate, exams, you wouldn't believe me. And the irregular verbs also. Can you guess which ones are irregular? Can you guess the endings for them? Go through your notes, practice a bit. So go through this task, these sets of exercises compiled for you, and take on the conditional and future tense, because many times, based on experience, you're gonna be overconfident regarding your knowledge about them, and you need to use them, and you need to use them properly in the written piece especially. So that will be all. Gracias por escuchar. Thanks for listening. Os veré en el próximo episodio. See you soon.